Is it recorded, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to Dr. Muhammad Azhari. Today we are from Group 8. We will present to you Chapter 10. So the topic is the future financial services as platform. So before we going to present, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ainul Shazwina binti Abdullah, metric number 1192252.
My name is Nurul Akilah binti Azhari, metric number 1192234.
My name is Nur Fatihah binti Rahiman. My number metric is 1192243.
My name is Anis Sofia binti Namusha, number matrix 1192251.
My name is Ainul Syafiqah binti Shaharuddin, matric number 1192282.
And now let me proceed with the introduction first. Okay, introduction. In the old days, we could only translate directly and of course give various problems when dealing, such as wasting time and energy. The use of technology has also begun to apply in the financial system as it begins to show lucrative results. In general, technology in economic field is getting growing and advancing in line with the development of the business world. Nowadays, we can see that the developing of traditional methods, traditional financial services offered by financial institutions. This shows of natural transforming from traditional financial method in the delivery of financial services. It is very important for us to understand that financial institutions as providers of services. It is relevant for us to keep focused to develop for our financial in order to achieve rapid development and become one of successful country finance in the world. So this chapter consists of 5 subtopics, and this subtopic will present by the next presenter. That's all from me. Next.
Okay, thank you, Ina. So we move to our first subtopic, which is platform concept. The concept of a platform business is not a new phenomenon. Platforms have been considered as an open way for the business model that focus on helping to facilitate interaction across a large number of participants. The role of platform is to facilitate interaction at scale so that network effects can be unleashed. According to the author, the main purpose of platform is besides to create and operate interfaces among participants, platform is also used to facilitate the exchange of goods, services, or social relationships. Hence, there are many benefits to be gained from using the platform. For example, effective in the exchange of information, provide the infrastructure and rules for a marketplace, and bringing together producers and consumers and others. Okay, the players in a platform ecosystem are the 4 P's, which is proprietors, providers, producers, and purchasers. However, today it is quite complicated because the platform empowered by digital technology. It shows a rapid development of economy. So in a nutshell, the subtopic discovered platform business as an information and interaction. This is because platform business bring together producers and consumers in high value exchange. So we move to the next presenter.
Next is from banking to tech. In this case, it is important to understand the strategic step to a successful problem. Okay, there has three important shifts in to the move from banking to fintech. First is from resource control to resource orchestration. Okay, the resource-based a competitive view argues that companies gain an advantage by controlling rare and valuable assets. The network of producers and consumers is the main asset used too hard to copy. Second, the shift is from internal optimization to external interaction. For create value by optimizing the entire range of product activities from material resources for sales and service. And they should creating value to ease more interaction between manufacturers and external consumers. And the third shift is from a focus on customer value to a focus on the ecosystem or shared value. The objective is to maximize the lifetime value of each customer of products and service, which in fact sitting at the beginning or at the end of a linear process. Next objective is to maximize the total value of the growing ecosystem in the circular repetitive feedback-based process. These three shifts is important to understand how the rise of platform is transforming competition, and the three shifts is must is must to change from banking to fintech. That's all from me.
Next, I will be presenting about the power of network effects. In supply-side economic, financial institutions achieve market power by controlling resources, continuously increasing efficiency, and resisting challenges. The objective of this strategy is to build sustainable competitive advantage that protect the organization from competition and channels competition towards other companies. The platform should incentive users and innovators to use and contribute to the platform. The result is ecosystem growth and the release of network effects. Strong network effects are an important value driver for platform as they might create winner-take-all situation amongst competing platforms. So there are two types of network effect. The first one is direct network effect, describe the increased value for platform users when more users join the ecosystem. The second one is indirect network effect emerge when new application for the platform get introduced. They increase the value for user to join the platform. So both type of network effect have positive feedback loops. Each time the ecosystem grows by new user of application, the value to be part of the ecosystem get increased, which is what attract new user and developer for new application. Next.
Alright, for the next subtopic, author has list down how platform change strategy. The forces to consider are essentially the following ones based on Van Alstyne at 2016. The first force is forces within the ecosystem. Platform participants, which is consumers, producers, and providers, typically create value for a business. Platform companies must constantly encourage a creative activity within their ecosystems while monitoring participants' activity that may prove depletive. For the second forces is forces exerted by ecosystems. Products have futures and platforms have communities. When a dataset is valuable but different parties control different part of it, it is possible that competition arrives from unlikely camps. The third one is focus. For platform, the focus shifts to interactions, exchange of value between producers and consumers on the platform. Most successful platforms tend to launch with a single type of interaction that generates high value even if at first low value. The first forces is access and governance. Platform executive must make smart choices about governance and access. The next one is matrices. In a fintech world, it is necessary to consider other matrices. The other matrices that should be considered, such as interaction failure, engagement, and match quality. And the last one, the last forces is negative network effects. It is badly managed platform often suffer from other types of problems that create negative feedback loops and reduce value for the participants. The next subtopic, author has listed the 4 steps to success. It is first to begin with strong products that have a lot of users. Second is use a combination of business model. Third is carry out a quick transformation to platform. And the last one is to prevent competitive imitation. Let's move to the conclusion.
Okay. So the conclusion regarding to this topic, there are many advantages can be obtained by financial institutions for transforming themselves into platform-based and digital banking ecosystem. Their clients tend to be easier to access some of personalized products and services. Moreover, the secure of ICT platform could make the interactive contribution on the financial platform can be used in many useful ways. Moreover, platform is not only a place that we use to bring together producers and consumers in high-value exchanges. It also requires new approaches to strategy and new leadership style. So overall, in this topic, it can be concluded the most important thing is to learn the rules of strategy for a platform world before involved to it. This is because learning about this new approach is important nowadays. The failure to apply this new approach, which is using platform in financial services, can contribute to the unstable of current traditional financial institution. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.